excited. Tyler saying whale. Whoa, look! Tyler is so excited. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. The fam bam is on a little mini road trip. I have been feeling sick all day yesterday, so I stayed in bed all day. Babe took care of me all day yesterday. He went to supermarket, he do everything, so we didn't vlog yesterday, but that's okay. Even though it's a vlog day yesterday, we'll catch up for it, so that's okay. But right now I am feeling a little bit back to my old self compared to how I felt yesterday. I was just vomiting. TMI, you guys, sorry, but I just have to let you guys know what's been going on. I've been vomiting like crazy, the same symptoms that babe had last week. It was my week, I guess. So I felt really different this month, and thank God for that, because this trip that we're going on now, we were supposed to go on it yesterday and we had to cancel for today. So thank God I'm feeling better and ready to have a fun-filled day. I know I can't wait to see Tyler's face and his expression, because where we're going is about to be really fun for him. It was a gift given to us by my father-in-law. We have to use it within a certain time, so the time is winding down to be expired, so we have to use it this weekend. So yeah, baby's driving, of course, so I won't be able to talk to you guys until we get there, but we're really looking forward to this adventure. You guys will see exactly where we're going and what this adventure is about when we get there. Tyler's in the back munching on snack. He just asked her, Tyler, say hi. So this spot that we're going is one of the most famous attractions on the French Riviera, so we're really looking forward to a good day. And it shouldn't be raining. It shouldn't be raining today, so we should really have a good day. So yeah, let go. Make sure you guys are having a wonderful day though. Comment down below and let us know what you guys did this weekend or what you guys are doing this weekend.
Faudra m'ouvrir les sacs s'il vous plaît. Where are you from? C'est la dame, d'accord. Hello. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Merci, monsieur.
Tyler, look. Bonjour.
On fait les photos, c'est pas je l'ai acheté. Mettez-moi pas de...
Put the bag in the thing. I want Tyler to get up. Tyler, get up. 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 Get up. Get up. Come. Get up.
Super. Alors, allez, pour moi, maman.
He's scared. Say hello.
Oui. Alors, bah, tout le monde, hein. On prend dans les bras le petit peu gosse, ça va le rassurer un peu.
Come, take pictures.
Super. Et on me regarde. Encore une petite yes. Là, tu me regardes, le gosse. Waouh. Tu me regardes. Génial, tout ça. Ça, c'est pour toi. Faites ce que vous voulez.
Look at that one. So you guys, by now you guys should know where we are. We're at a place called Marineland. It's one of the most famous attractions on the French Riviera. and today is about to be so exciting. We're already having so much fun as we, as we stepped in. Somebody's goofing behind me on the camera, so we're trying to figure out where to go. Tyler, look exciting. You're excited? Look, he's just looking at everything and he's so ready. You ready? You ready? Ready? All right, let's go. Oh my God, I'm already so excited. What are you looking at? Okay. Tyler, we definitely go in Marineland store before we leave. And those little mascots up here, they're so funny. We took pictures with them as we came in just now. So cute. I'm so excited. Tyler, you excited? You ready? Tyler said ready? Ready! They get us all hyped from the beginning. Yeah.
At 11:30 they have a show.
Okay.
For the show.
Okay, but where are we gonna go now? Let's go somewhere else before the show. Okay, so let's go there. Where you see banana? Where? There's no banana. Tell her, look, crab. Sit in the crab. Go and sit. Sit in the crab. See crab? I see. Whoa. Ah, says cheese. And we have the souvenir Marineland shop there that we're definitely gonna go before we leave. Crab? Whoa! Come on! So what kind of show you said we're going to? What's the name? Oh, it's a dolphin. It looks like a dolphin. Orc? It looks like dolphin. Oh, a whale. Okay, we're going to a whale show in a few minutes. So we're heading to that direction so we can probably get a good seat or whatever. But it's so huge. This park is huge. Tell her, look. You wanna go up? Up? Go. From here. Come. Up. Whoa! Yeah. Hey. Come. Come. Come, baby, come. Come to mama. Come. Come. Wow. Woo. We don't even know where's Papa. Hold on. Hold on. Hold it. Hold it. Tight, tight, tight. Woo, 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 woo. No? You don't like it? Come. Run, baby, run! 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 Go to Papa. Come on! Come on! Come on, run! Come! 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 Run! Okay, so we're going to the whale show right now, and I think we're here. We're just gonna try and find a space. Carry your son with you. Go to Papa. Go, Papa. Go on. The boy's gone to the toilet. Oh.
T'as vu, c'est pas super grand, ils sont arrosés.
So there they are in the water, and there's going to be a show in a few minutes. So we're going to sit down there and watch the whales. The arena is big, so there's lots of space to sit. We have all that space to sit up there and around here. There's a huge space. I'm excited to see the show. I'm sure Tyler is gonna be too. Yes! Wow! Wow! So excited! You guys tell us so excited! Oh my god! I know. Whoa! Look! Tell us so excited. These are crocodiles. Dolphin! It's not dolphin, it's whale. Whale! Whale! It's not dolphin, it's whale! Whale! You see? They're feeding them right down there. How exciting. Tyler saying whale, you're so excited. You have the loudest mouth in the park. You have the loudest mouth, Papa. Whale. Whoa. Wow, Tyler, look. Wow. have lunch, and Tyler's already eating his fries, and I am having a Caesar salad. I'm having a Caesar salad with shrimp and chicken and lettuce and all kind of stuff in here, and baby's having a burger with fries and the bear. What is it? You want to give them fries? Fries? Alright. Alright, you guys, it's grub time. Lunch is done, and we are now going to try and find an aquarium, because there should be an aquarium somewhere around here. So we're going to find the aquarium, and then we're going to go to the dolphin show, which should be super fun. Hopefully Tyler don't fall asleep, so he'll be able to see that. But yeah, that's what we're up to right now.